Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to pay with Paysafecard on Kinguin. Want to pay with Paysafecard on Kinguin? It's quick and easy. Let me guide you through it in just a few minutes. First of all, visit kinguin.net and find the product you want to buy. Then add it to your cart. Click on your cart and proceed to checkout. On the payment option page, select Paysafecard from the list. Enter your Paysafecard PIN or log in to your Paysafecard account for balance payment. Follow the prompts to confirm your purchase. Once payment is complete, you will receive your order confirmation and your product key will be available in your Kinguin account. And that's it. Fast, secure, and hassle-free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.